Hey guys, so in this video we will walk you through the steps of how to switch from a Profoto theme to one of our flow themes, and at the same time how to use our Flolaunch plugin to make sure that there is no downtime with your existing website. Alright, so first of all, you will need to download our plugins. You'll need to go to flothemes.com/Flolaunch, download the following plugin, and then you'll also need to download our Profoto plugin, which can be found on our website as well. So assuming that you've already downloaded the following plugins, let's go on over to the backend of our Profoto theme, which I currently have already up and running. This is my homepage with just some general Profoto grids that we've added here. So the main purpose of the following plugin is to help you transfer your content from Profoto to our flow theme, transferring your grids and your Profoto sliders because there is a variety of them. So at this point, I simply have only several grids over here on my homepage. So what we'll need to do is go ahead and make that switch from Profoto to our flow theme website without any downtime using also our Flolaunch plugin. So first things first, what we need to do is install our Flolaunch plugin. In order to do that, we need to go over to our plugins area, and we need to click on Add New and upload the Flolaunch plugin. Okay, now we need to activate the plugin. Okay, once we've activated this, let's go on over to our settings area. And here we have Flolaunch that we need to click on and create a database backup. Depending on how much content you have, it may take up to several minutes. Once again, just depending on the size of your database. So be sure to click on Create Database Backup. This is just in case if anything goes wrong, anything happens to the website. You have your database backed up, and you will be able to save it to your computer. So I'll just click on Save. Alright, and next off, we need to go ahead and enable our test mode. So we'll click on Enable Test Mode. Okay, and over here we can see that our Flolaunch plugin is enabled in the following browser. So at this point, let's go ahead and update to our new theme. So we'll go over to Appearance, we'll go over to Themes. Once again, assuming that you've already installed your theme. I currently have Crowd. You can have whichever other theme that you purchased from us. So I'll just go ahead and click on Activate to activate my theme. Okay, and over here you'll see that we are still in test mode enabled. So let's go on over to our home page. We'll refresh this and see what we come up with. Alright, so as you see, we are now in the crowd theme. We have our home page. It looks a little bit messy. Our navigation is out of place, and then we have just the basic text from the home page. And so let's go on over to Google Chrome, and we will refresh our initial website. And as you can see, we still have our old Profoto website up and running. So users that go to your website, they will still see the Profoto website as it is up and running. Everything's going to be fine. In the meantime, you will work around in our Flolaunch plugin, customizing the following site. Alright, so now let's go on over and install our FloSwitch plugin to Profoto. And in order to do that, we need to go over to Plugins, click on Add New. Okay, and you always see these warnings that our test mode is enabled. So let's go ahead and click on Upload Plugin. Click on Activate Plugin. Alright, now that it's activated, let's head on over to our settings and go over here to our Profoto Galleries migration. Okay, so over here within this area, because Profoto offers a variety of slideshows, it has sliders, and it also has light boxes. There are several options for us to import the following sliders into our flow theme. Now, each flow theme, depending on which flow theme you have, will have a set of various gallery view types over here that you can select from. So if you want to import your Profoto sliders into the following view type, you simply select that, or if you want to have a standard WordPress gallery shortcode, you can also select that option. So you can play around with these, customize them as you wish. Once again, just keep in mind, because I'm using Crowd, I only have two options over here. With other themes, there will be more options as well, and different layouts as well available. So scrolling further down, we have our general gallery settings. Over here, you can select the image sizes, and you can also select whether it be columns, whatever it may be. You can adjust the following settings here as well. Alright, and then scrolling further down, we have the option to bulk update our Profoto galleries if they are added to our pages, and Profoto grids. Now, because initially in my Profoto website I only had the following grid on my homepage just as a tester, we'll go ahead and click on Update Profoto Grids. Okay, and you can see that the homepage was successfully updated. If we click on Update Profoto Galleries, you'll see that we don't have any Profoto galleries to update. Okay, see, it says no Profotos galleries were found. So we're all set here. Our Profoto grids were updated, and let's go on back to our homepage and refresh the following. Okay, and you'll see that we have the following grids activated, and these are just external links leading to various websites. You can have this as late as blog posts, whatever it may be. Alright, so once we've updated these, let's go ahead and then take care of our navigation menu, and we'll go over to Appearance, head on over to Menus, and what we'll need to do is simply click over here where it says Main Menu. We'll click on Save, and this will take up the following menu structure with several main pages and then page drop downs under that. Let's go ahead and refresh our home page. Okay, and now our menu is structured fine. So at this point, you can go ahead and make other updates. You can adjust the width of the website and just start customizing your flow theme how you want it to be. But at the same time, keep in mind that users that just randomly go to your website still see the old Profoto website that you have up and running. So assuming that we have already finalized all of our adjustments, we've added our content, we've adjusted the home pages, menus, and so forth, let's go ahead and launch our website. So on every single page within the backend, we'll have the following button where it says Publish the Test Site. So we'll go ahead and click over here. We have a small warning that our website is about to go live, so let's go ahead and click on OK, and we'll let this load. Alright, once again, let's head on over to our homepage. We'll refresh this, and at the same time, let's head on over to Google Chrome, where we had our Profoto website up and running. We'll refresh this as well. And here you see that we have our crowd theme, our flow theme up and running live already visible to all of our customers. So essentially, this is just a quick overview of the Flolaunch plugin working together with the Profoto Switch plugin. So thank you very much for your time. For further information, additional details, and so forth, also be sure to check out our documentation, and that is in the link below. Thank you very much.